30 minutes. Sorry, I don't know why I said 30 minutes. 3 hours of trying to figure out why the fuck this microphone specifically wasn't working. Just to realize that it wasn't OBS the whole time, but my microphone receiver crashed. I didn't think it was possible. But here we are. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick little rant. People that are watching this in video form or watching this after the video or this live stream went live. Okay, this is gonna be a little rant for those of you that clicked on the thumbnail and saw this, right? Here's the thing. The world is burning all around us. Global tensions, economic turmoil, and just so many other reasons for like why it is we should be focusing on that instead of like locking in on what it is we're doing, because it's not motivating. It's not motivating to see, oh, well, this person just died, or this government just collapsed, or whatever the fuck it might be. And then all of a sudden you're supposed to just tell me my fucking audio is right. Hold on one sec. 1 second. Let me see my audio. Please tell me it's fucking working. Thank God it's working. Okay. Yeah, like a government collapsed yesterday, and then another government collapses, and you're like, how the fuck are you supposed to manage the motivation to learn how to program or go to the gym? It seems so selfish. It seems so like you're not saving the world when the world needs to be saved right now, and it's really, really like frustrating. It's really difficult, because that's why like what this channel is about, right? This is why I'm here. It's about creating stuff. It doesn't matter if for you it's programming or fucking sewing, whatever the hell. It's about creating. Maybe it's YouTube. Maybe you're watching this and you're YouTuber. It's so difficult to find the motivation to continue working on this project, right? Your projects, your goals, passions, your dreams, whatever the hell you want to call them. It's so difficult to maintain motivation when the world's burning. I watched a Adam Savage video today, and it was really, really good. It was really, really good. It was about this town. I'm not too sure where, I'm not too sure when, but basically this town a few hundred years ago or so was actively being mortared, actively being shot at by like missile shells, right? Actively. And people still, even when there was literal missiles being shot at them, people still managed to get into theater and go see a freaking play. I want you to think about this for a second. People's livelihoods, not their livelihoods, people's lives were in danger. But instead of seeking shelter, they decided to go see the play. They decided to go see art. They decided to go and invest themselves into the culture. You know what I mean? They would rather do that than be concerned with, they were probably concerned, but then to seek shelter. So what am I getting at? I'm basically getting at whatever the fuck it is you're trying to make, right? Just think about that project, whatever the hell it is. That is, even during this time when, geopolitical turmoil is at an all-time high, even though the world's burning, even though this government collapsed the other day, even though this guy's dying, even though the most heinous things are happening and they're constantly at our fingertips and we're seeing it all, the world feels like it's going down the shitter. It's like you, as a creator, as a person that wants to make something, a project, you have a goal, whatever the hell it is, as a person that wants to make something, you're extraordinarily important during this time. During this time of global tensions, during this time of like, because I find myself worried all the time. I find myself like, why the fuck am I learning how to do CNCing, right? Why am I learning how to fucking program, or why am I learning how to set up a computer? Why am I learning 3D printing? Why am I learning like electronics? You know what I mean? Why am I doing all these things when the world's burning around me? You know, like it almost seems selfish. But the thing is, even when there are mortar shells going off and even when the world's burning, it is so absolutely crucial. It is so important to find that passion anyways and do it regardless of if the world is burning or not. Do it regardless of if there are mortar shells coming in. You know what I mean? Because it's crucial, because eventually we're going to get past the turmoil. Eventually, hopefully, you know. Their world was burning. Our world is burning. But that doesn't mean that there's not a future. So even if AI is about to take your job, or even if the world seems like it's can replace, like AI feels like it's going to replace you in a year, it's like, bet on yourself anyways. And even if it's not motivating, even if it doesn't feel like you're saving the world, even if it feels like you're just making this weird little quirky thing, do it anyways, even if the world is burning all around you. You know what I'm saying? So that is kind of what we're going to do today. That's a bit for kind of the video part of this. Like, it's not really going to make sense for the people watching the stream, but that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be learning how to, we're going to start a CNC project. We have literally we have 30 minutes. I don't even know if we can fucking do it in 30 minutes. I've never used this machine before, and we're going to do it right now. The world's fucking burning. Our people in power, our politicians are actively trying to destroy this world for personal gain. It's like, the motivation is slipping by the day. But regardless of whether you're motivated or not, you have to stay focused. You have to stay focused on your passion and your goal, because if those people didn't play in those, if they didn't like perform in those theaters back then, our culture would be different today. So you, as a creator, as a person that wants to make shit today, know that you are influencing the future, and it is such a crucial time right now. Be that person that inspires other people to go the extra mile. Be the person that inspires people to actually do something. You know what I mean? I have this logo right here on my shirt called Stay Focused for a reason. It's the idea of having a project, a passion, a purpose, whatever the hell it is, and to stay focused on that constantly, no matter what. So whether that distraction is me or someone else or something else, or it's the internet entirely, I would invite you right now to take inventory of what's distracting you and to remove them and stay focused. If that means you stop watching the stream or this video, whatever version it might be, then stop watching it and go lock the fuck in and stay focused. I mean, consider subscribing on your way out, but you know what I'm saying. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to stay focused. We're going to lock the fuck in, and we're going to use a CNC machine that we've never fucking, I don't even know what the hell this goddamn thing is. Like, we're going to figure it the fuck out together right now, though. But yeah. Consider subscribing if you want to lock in and you want to change your life for the better, and you need a little bit more motivation to keep going in this very troublesome world we find ourselves in. Consider visiting the first link in the description if you like the Stay Focused hoodie, or maybe you want the sticker because it's a little bit cheaper. Or maybe you want this sticker. I don't know, whichever you want. But regardless, I have to get back to live streaming, because that is what this is about. It is about live streaming. That is what we are doing right now. That is what we are going to continue doing. That is what we're going to lock the fuck in, even though it took me 3 hours of trying to figure out how a microphone was working this morning. We're going to start a CNC right the fuck now. Okay, let's do that right now. And I'm also going to read chat. All right. Live stream is in session, boys. That was just a little bit for the people that were watching this video afterwards. Yeah, if you're watching this video, click off. Go stay focused. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Jacob Jones stream speed run. Are you recording? No. But this is really just like a, you know what I mean? It's fine. Well, man, I just wanted to see funny CNC stuff. Don't worry, we're gonna see funny CNC stuff. Did we set it up? Yes, we did, and we're gonna go over that in a second. Yay, clean room. It is a clean room, actually. Bro is not David Goggins. I am not David Goggins. I'm Jacob fucking Jones. JK, stay focused. You're goddamn right. I thought you weren't gonna stream the CNC video. No, we are not. But this is just a first test, and that is exactly and precisely what it is we're gonna be trying to do right now. So let's do that right fucking now. Yesterday, please tell me this still okay. Good. Yesterday, here is what fucking happened. We were like, why the fuck is it not plugging in? Why is it not connecting? It's because apparently on this microwave supercomputer, there is 30,000 fucking inputs. And on each one, I had to plug in the goddamn cord. I had to go through all of the different ports that were available inside of this fuck-ass software. And then after that, I had a fucking... Oh my god, dude, the process was so annoying. It took me hours to be able to connect this to the thing, and then now it just works. It's over Wi-Fi. I don't understand how it works, but it works now. And now we can do this weird hunky-dory. You'll see over right here, we actually have a cam software, and we can move it. Oh, let's make it a little more pronounced. Let's do 10 millimeters. See, we can move it now. W. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. And our goal today is actually to just do a tutorial, but then again, I have 30 fucking minutes because it took me goddamn forever trying to figure out how a microphone works. Let's see. So you just did a big speech for the video? Kinda, yeah. And don't record it? Yeah, kinda. Did you give China your IP? I did. I fucking had to, unfortunately. Is it me or volume is just a bit low? Adjusted right. Oh, well, hold up. Adjusted right there, and now it should be good. Okay. Okay, boys. It is time to lock the fuck in. So there is so much that goes into CNC machining that I didn't even actually fucking consider at all. There is so goddamn much that is required to make something just go burr, and holy fuck, it's atrocious. It's actually atrocious. So today we are just going to, sorry, this is extraordinarily loud. We are just going to try our fucking best to get this thing to work. Like, that is all we kind of can do. Okay. Oh my god, please tell me it's still good. It is. Okay. So we are actually just going to do a preloaded project. What is this? It's like think of it as like when you install the Arduino IDE, there's like example sketches. We are doing an example sketch. Or like when you buy a new 3D printer, there might be like a Banshee inside of the thing. That's exactly what we're going to try to do throughout the next few minutes right fucking now. Dude, there's so much shit that we should have done today, but this goddamn microphone was, I don't even want to think about it. Okay. So we need to start out by, oh, there's so much shit we got to do. Okay. We're going like this. Okay. We literally have like not even 30 minutes. Like our time was completely wasted today on just trying to figure out how in the actual fuck this fuck ass thing works. And yeah, no, so fuck DJI for that. Although their products is really cool, still fuck them for that. They wasted my day. Let's see. Go like this. Okay. Yeah, I hope you boys are having a good fucking day. Better than mine at least. And yeah, we're just I watched like 30 fucking videos. And read the entire manual. The manual is ass. Their teaching videos are ass. We just have to fucking wing it, guys. We just have to wing the fuck out of this thing. And hopefully it just performs, you know what I mean? That's all we can do at this point. That's like all we can do. Okay. Well, let's see. Like this. I hope there's no background noise, but if there is, whatever. Well, so we are going to actually, well, don't fucking pull out the thing. We're actually going to start by going right here. This is what we're going to start out doing. All right, let's go like this. So like that. Okay, if you guys can see, please don't tell me this thing's just died. I don't know. Okay, so here you can see this thing, right? This is basically, it's like a, what the fuck would you call this? It's like a controller kind of, right? See, I'm gonna click this button, it moves over. I click that, it moves over. I click this right here, it moves back slowly. I click this, it moves the thing. Let's do 10, right? It's basically, you know how this works. Now, $1 million fucking question is, how do we get a file from here onto the fucking CNC machine? I don't know. Let's just do, I think it's called relief test. Pirate ship. Select, rename, delete, new folder, relief. Well, the question is though, we have to install this thing right here, right? We have to install this thing. I don't know why, but it is like, oh no, I guess it just protects the build plate, but I don't know what with. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how. I guess let's find a video real quick. Oh well. There you go. All right, let's find a video real quick. Let's go like this. Oh well. Like that. Come on. Love of God. Okay, there we go. Let's find a video. Bam, bam. Okay. Let's do. Actually, it might be my history. Let's go there. You guys gonna see some wonk ass fucking history right now. Go to history. Right here. Okay. I don't know if you guys can do that, but yeah, this is what we're gonna follow this guy. This motherfucker. Nope, not full screen. Like this. Jesus Christ, I have to be to work in 4 goddamn minutes.
Hey everyone, Jason from Makera here with another Carvera Air tutorial.
Yeah, how do we install the goddamn thing though? Like, okay, so we're just gonna look at it. How does he install it? Okay, he just has screws. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Exactly. Dude, what is up, my boy? I hope you're doing absolutely swell, you big man. Sir, I love calling you freaking Terry because it just fits. Okay, here is what. Oh shit, there's 2. That's cool. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna like this. What's happening? Okay, you have these now. You have to install them. I can only assume just like this. Yeah, just like this. Yep. Yep. Well, why does his look different? I don't know. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. There we go. Okay. Oh, it smells so plasticky. Not plasticky, but like, I don't know how to describe the thing. Let's see. Exactly, dude. Terry reincarnate. That is actually big. Okay, I don't know if this has to be on every single thing, but I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. I don't even know, bro. We're gonna do it anyways. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go like this. God, dude, it sucks because I literally have to be to work in like 3 minutes. I was really hoping that we'd start the CNC today. Maybe we can. Maybe we fucking can. We are to follow the homie's instructions exactly and just pray that we can start the CNC machine. We might have to stop it, but if we do, then we'll learn stuff anyways. Okay. Okay. These things are just to protect the thing. To protect the thing underneath it. Okay. Well, why did I just... Jesus Christ, I'm fucking autistic. I don't know why I didn't just remove the... Okay, yeah, well... Yep. 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 Okay, let's go like that. Okay. That is good. I hope, I pray, I think. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, let's go like this. Bro, my OCD. One sec, let me move this. Bro, my OCD is actually tripping because I saw a screw that wasn't fully in, surrounded by a fully in one. Yeah. Well, yep. SLB sometimes. You know what I'm saying? SLB sometimes. But now, we must. I hope that this is. Yeah, it should be. There we go. Alright. Okay. I hope we're still getting audio. We are. Dude, this sucks that I have to leave so soon. It's kind of ass, NGL. Dude, this is why I am excited to be able to do this full time eventually. Because the fact that I have to go to a 9-to-5 job instead of learning what the hell it is I want to learn right now is so goddamn annoying. You know? If you want to help me eventually one day just be able to do 24-hour live streams, consider the notion of picking up a Stay Focused sticker. Maybe that one doesn't suit your fancy, but that one does. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe get a shirt or something. I don't know. Okay, the ad is over. I'm sorry you had to bear witness to that. Okay. Let's go like this. Hey, you boys, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Even though, like, stream is about to end in, like, less than 15 minutes, I appreciate you boys for being here. Fortunately, I have to go to work at 4, and I spent all day trying to figure out how in the fuck this fucker works, which sucks. Sucks a lot, but that's okay. Okay, now we need to find some stock materials. Where is that? Right here. Okay. I hope you can see this. I don't know if you can. Yeah, there we go. Okay, the thing we're cutting is, I think this. Oh, it feels so weird. It's not wood, by the way. It's like a polyurethane or some type beat. Some jit. Let's go like this. Please, for the love of God, work. Okay, let's speed run the shit, huh? Huh? Okay, well. Okay, well, yeah, this is so silly. I thank you boys for being here. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you boys very much. It means a fuck lot. It means a fuck lot to me, guys. Thank you guys for being here. Also, Jacob, you should make videos faster. I need to buy a Steam control. Jesus. Did you find the problem and solve it or no? I did. It was my microwave supercomputer. Hold up, let me. I don't know why I have a jacket on right now. Let me remove that. What time is it? 48. Damn, I got like 2 minutes. Yes, I did. So basically, now we have. So okay, this thing, right? The iPad. I don't know why the fuck it doesn't work. We don't know why. We don't know how, but it just doesn't work, and that's that. It just doesn't work. So yeah, but that's how it be sometimes. Let's go like this. Let's go like that. Let's go like this. close. Let's go like this. Actually, let's just go home. All right. Now we should be able to. All right, yeah. What just made that noise? Oh my god, don't tell me that there's a screw under there. I hope that there's not. But there might be. I think there is. Damn. Well, there might be a screw under there. Fuck. Well, shit. Well. Well. What is this and why is it right there? I do not know why. Oh, that's why. God damn it. Well, good to know. This is not supposed to be in right there. That is not supposed to be. It just completely demolished this right here. Oh, well. We're learning slowly. That sucks butt. That sucks a lot of butt. Okay, well, we have to move it. Yeah, that sucks a lot of butt. I don't know how that's supposed to be secured. But, oh, the back one's destroyed too. Fuck me, dude. We haven't even started the goddamn printer. We've already destroyed the damn thing. Oh, that's ass, dude. Completely destroyed it already. These tabs back here. Fuck. Well. Well. Let's see. I just bought some Stay Focused merch to support you. You freaky son of a bitch. Big man. That means a lot. That means a fuck lot, and I wish you knew how much that meant to me. If you did, bro, thank you very much. That support is going to be going straight into another CNC machine. Not really, but like it's going to go into some great things. Eventually, one day, because of you, big man, I'll hopefully be able to do this a lot more. So that means a fuck lot. Card declined. Yeah, well, that's okay, big man. That is okay. Okay, let's try this. Hey, seriously, I appreciate that a lot. That means a fuck lot to me. Thank you. All right, let's go like this. Let's go like this. Well, shit. Oh, well, I figured out why that was, that broke. That's because I was using the wrong fucking screw. Jesus Christ, dude. Jesus Christ. Oh, this is going to be such a long learning process. I can't even describe just how slow this is going to be. Okay, well, that's as any learning process is. Learning sucks, or learning is hard, and doing hard things sucks, and sucking sucks. But sucking is the price that has to be paid for greatness. Well, please don't take that out of context. If you know what I mean. Yeah. Well, like this. Now let's get in the right goddamn screws. We've only destroyed about $20 worth of stuff so far, so we're doing pretty good. Let's go like this. Honest to God, we're gonna do one pass on the print on this goddamn CNC machine. I don't give an rat's ass if I'm late or not. We are going to do it. All right. There we go. Oh no, did these things do it too? Oh, that's fine. Okay. So these guys are fun. Okay. Here's some long fuckers. Like this. I have no idea how this is supposed to work. Like, honest to God, I have fuck of an idea. Well, I'm gonna assume like that. Well, let's try this, maybe. Maybe, baby. I really don't know. Should I feel like this is something I should watch the video for. Let's give it a quick watch. Eh? Let's give it a quick watch. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. And I am actively almost late for work. That's okay.
Guidebook, aligning it with anchor position 1 in the bottom left corner of the bed and securing it by placing a top clamp along all the...
Amazing. That makes a lot more sense. That makes a lot more sense. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Go ahead. At work, you... Wait. At work, you on in BG. What the fuck? What does that mean? What was that? Okay. Okay, we know what to do now. We know what to do. Let's go like this. I was doing it wrong indeed. But now we know I was doing it wrong. Dude, this sucks ass that I have to go to work right now. Like, if I was a responsible human being, I would be going to work right now. But we all know that this is not the case. I don't think it's ever been the case. There are projects to be made and progress to be made upon those projects. This is paramount to anything. Okay, let's lock in. Because we have nanoseconds to do this. Well, whoever designed this is a little interesting because I can already tell that this is like not tight. It's not a good fixture. It's hard to describe that if you guys aren't here, but trust, it's just bad. Well, that's really long. We need screws now. More screws. We have one right here. And one right here. That should be good. Right? I think. Maybe on a lunch break. I can do a lunch break stream today. Yeah, we'll do a lunch break stream today, boys. Let's go like this. I think I'm doing this right. What does it look like? Well, I think so. Maybe. Who's to say? Please tell me. There's audio. There is. Thank God. I think he's on the verge of dying, but it's still working. Well, how does homie do the rest of it? Like this.
Sides using the machine screws included in their toolkit. Next, it's important to make sure that
Let's but we have an empire to build. You're goddamn right. You're goddamn right. We have an empire to build
for this project, specifically for the 3-axis relief.
Okay, we know.
In this video, bed and screws included in their
okay.
toolkit. Next is
sure. Dude, I'm actively late for work right now. Actively. God, work sucks, man. Why? Why work? Why do I have to go to work? I desire spending my time elsewhere. There we go. I think this makes more sense. Okay. All right. I appreciate you guys being here. I know there's no background music, but it is because that is so annoying to deal with in post-production. It is so goddamn annoying. Well, that's secured if I ever seen something secured. Okay, now is the dangerous part. Now is the part where we just fuck around and figure the shit out. Okay, we're gonna watch this little video.
To make sure that we have
Oh,
all
I
the
need
tools
headphones,
that we
obviously.
need ready to go.
We have the 2 bits that are required. This thing and this thing. We only have time to do one of the bits today, unfortunately. Sorry, during right now. We'll do a lunch break stream. Yeah, it's like this. Okay.
For this project. Specifically for the 3-axis
Lock in,
relief
boys.
project we're looking at in this video, we only will be needing tool 1, the 25mm single flute end mill, and tool 2, the 30-degree 0.2mm V-bit. We can also load our first tool into the carvera, which will be the wired probe. With our CNC set up, we can head over to the carvera controller app to configure and run this job. First, we must connect to our carvera in the carvera controller app. Then within the files menu, there's an examples folder that includes all the example files for the project shown in this guidebook. There's only one file for the 3-axis relief, which is called pirate ship. Once open, we can preview the design and toolpaths before clicking config and run. We want to make sure that the file is aligned with anchor point 1
Hello. Hello. Okay. So it's this one. I think. Okay. Jesus Christ, that took goddamn forever. Welcome to the treasures of recording shit. Mike decides to cut out, and then you want to off yourself. Okay. Let's figure out what type of shit this guy's trying to do with the thing.
is aligned with anchor point 1 in the carvera controller, just like our stock is on the bed of
Okay. What the fuck did you just say? All right, we're gonna go here. We'll go to files, right?
one file examples folder that includes all the example files for the project shown in this guidebook. There is only one file for the 3-axis relief, which is called pirate ship. Once open, we can preview the design and toolpaths before clicking config and run. We want to make sure that the file is aligned with anchor point 1 in the carvera controller, just like our stock is on the bed of the carvera air.
What just happened? We just selected clear selection. Clear selection. No file for close. All right, relief. Okay, I think we actually were fine. Rename, relief, new folder, update, select. I think. All right, now what does he do?
Before clicking config called files for the project shown in this guidebook. There is only one file for the 3-axis relief, which is called pirate ship.
How the fuck does he preview this? Oh, look at this. This is the first time I've seen this. It's kind of cool, actually. Ah. Look at that. Ah. That's sexy. You guys can't really see it. I guess it's off the screen a little bit, isn't it? Sexy. Very sexy. Okay. Okay. Let's go like this. Then let's go like this. What does he do after this?
Once open, we can preview the design and toolpaths before clicking config and
okay,
run.
This needs to go away.
We want to make sure that the
what did he just say?
Axis relief, which is called pirate ship. Once open, we can preview the design and toolpaths before clicking config and run. And preview
how
the design and toolpaths before clicking config.
How does he preview it?
Config and run. We want to make sure that the file is aligned with and toolpath 3-axis relief, which is called.
What does he click on?
Once open, we can preview the design and toolpath.
Yeah, see, he doesn't say what he clicks on.
Called pirate ship. Once open, we can preview the design and tool.
Oh well. There we go. That's our goal for right now. How long will this take? It probably says, but I have no fucking idea. Okay, cool.
Pass before clicking config and run. We want to make sure that the file.
Now, where does he fucking click?
Preview the design and toolpaths before clicking config and run. We want to make sure.
Okay, settings. Click settings. Okay, we're getting this. We're getting there. Well, there we go.
That the file is aligned with.
Well, my shit looks a little different. Auto X. What? Well,
anchor point 1.
Set origin. Okay. Sure.
In the Carvera controller, just.
Oh well. Wait.
It's like our stock.
Well. Tutorial hell, Ben here. Yeah, dude. Fucking seriously. Yeah. Oh, what's up, my boy? I hope you're having a swell time. Thank you for stopping by again. Thank you for stopping by. By the way, I checked out your channel. You were a minor like 8 years ago. Okay, you were a minor like 8. You're no longer a minor, big man. Okay, you were. There's no way in biological hell you were a minor because your videos, right? Your videos were you were a minor like 9 million years ago. Now you couldn't be anymore. That's not possible. That's not possible. You lied to me, big man. You lied to me. Okay. We gotta lock the fuck in. We are late for work right now.
Config and run. We want to make sure that the file is aligned.
See, he has all this shit. I don't have any of that shit. Okay? I don't have any of that shit. None. I am the one that's scared. Okay. I am wait, please tell me you can hear this. Okay, you can. I am extraordinarily confused right now because okay, we're gonna close this. Right? Okay, we have this. We have his selected thing. Let's do exactly what he does. Okay, let's do exactly what he does.
Then within the Files menu, there's an Examples folder that includes all the example files for the project shown in
Relief, Pirate Ship. Okay, select.
For the 3-axis relief, which is called
and then he clicks on it.
Once open, we can preview the design and toolpaths before clicking.
We know how to do that. Okay, we're chilling. We are chilling. Bussing. Absolutely bussing.
And run. We want to make sure that.
Okay, what the fuck does he click on?
Preview the design and toolpaths before clicking config and run. We want to make sure that.
Okay, we're gonna go like this. Dude, this guy needs to fucking get a cursor highlighter, man. It is not fun. Oh, here's the fucking orange triangle thing. Here's this thing. This is not supposed to be right there, nor is that supposed to be right there. This is supposed to be in the corner. Fuck. Okay, let's do that.
Aligned with anchor point 1 in the Carvera controller, just like our stock.
Let's see. Let's fucking see.
Carvera error.
Oh, what?
Aligned with anchor point 1 in the Carvera.
Okay, config. Okay.
Controller, just like our stock is on the bed of the Carvera Air.
0.
As shown in the guidebook, we want our offsets to be 3 millimeters for X and 3 millimeters.
Okay, let's do that right now. 3. I'm assuming, I'm praying, I should say. I am absolutely praying to God right now that this is in millimeters and not nautical miles.
For Y. We also want to enable scan margin. This traces the perimeter of our design before cutting. And auto
Okay, scan. Did he press okay?
We also want to enable. We want our offsets to be 3 millimeters for X
Jesus
and
Christ.
3 millimeters for Y.
Okay, dude, he needs a fucking cursor highlighter, man. This is gonna give me.
Enable scan
Oh,
margin.
well, look at that. Look at that. We're getting closer.
This traces the perimeter of our design before cutting.
Okay, scan margin. No. No, okay.
And auto Z probe, which will set the height of our stock automatically. We do not
auto Z probe. Sure.
Leveling for this project, as we'll be machining all the way through the top surface for this particular part.
Okay, is this auto X? He doesn't show that because I don't. This is on. No, it's off. I'm gonna assume it's off.
Set,
he has an old
we can
version.
click run to start manufacturing.
Are we sure we can just press run? His buttons are looking a lot more. What's the word I should use here? A lot more tiny. Okay. I'm a little scared. We're just gonna press run and then we're gonna have the fucking CNC just go.
Once everything's set, we can click run to start manufacturing. The Carvera Air will first begin by scanning the perimeter of the part using the laser pointer built into the wired probe. Check to make sure that there's no.
But you pressed unscan margin though, did he not?
No clamps in the way or obstructing this margin. The Carvera Air will then probe the point set within the controller.
I'm fucking terrified right now. We're just gonna do it
before prompting us to load tool 1, both in the controller app and with a flashing light on the machine. After loading tool 1, the 25mm single flute end mill, we can press the button on the top of the Carvera Air to begin machining this part. For the 3-axis the machine will start by roughing the stock using the 25mm bit. You can always monitor the progress of the machine in the Carvera controller app during the manufacturing process. After the roughing process has been completed, the Carvera Air will prompt us to load tool 2, which is the 30 degree. Once we press the button to continue, the Carvera Air will begin to cut the fine detail features of this design. It's difficult to see what's happening as we're cutting so deeply into the soft stock, but again, you can monitor what's going on in the Carvera controller app. Lastly, our machine will prompt us to load tool 1 again so that the part can be cut from the stock with an outer contour cut around the perimeter. Once manufacturing is complete, you can clean off this part using the brush or a vacuum to reveal the detailed design. After releasing the top clamps, you'll notice that the part is held onto the stock using what's called tabs. This stops the part from flying loose during manufacturing, and the tabs can be carefully cut using a small handsaw included in the samples and materials kit. And that's all there is to it. This is simple. Okay, that's what we're doing. Okay, yep. We got it, boys. Let's lock the fuck in, yeah? Let's lock the fuck in. Oh, well, let's send over, let's first remove everything from this everything out of the way, right? Let's do that, ideally. Everything's not in the way. Okay, bam, bam. I think it's good. This is the moment. Make sure breaks this machine. We pressed 3 buttons. I don't know what buttons they did, why they did, or who they did, or what they did, but we pressed 3 buttons. And that is what we're going off of right now. Okay. I am mortified right now and scared to death. But there's only one thing we can do. And that's to press go. That's to press go. He unclicked scale margin, so this seems off. No, this seems off. This seems off compared to his. Like look at his. Let's look at his real quick. Right? Like let's go right here. Look at this. His thing is in this corner, and wait. Auto set origin config block thickness set by Z profile offset note work. Okay, look at this. This is different. This is way different than his. His is blurred out. What is different? Scale margins. Anchor point 1 in the Carvera controller, just like our stock is on the bed of the Carvera Air. As shown in the guidebook, we want. Oh, anchor 1. We really click that. Config. Anchor 1. Look at that. If we press go right there, we would have been royally fucked. We would have been fucked in the ass hard. Like just absolutely pounded from behind rigorously. That would have not been good. Okay, boys, I think we're good now. Well, let's just double check. Config. That seems good. 3 millimeters for X and 3 millimeters for Y. We also want to enable scan margin. This traces the scan margin. Enable scan margin. Okay. Wait. Design before cutting. Disable Z probe, which will. Okay, so he undoes it just to do it again. Margin. This traces the perimeter of our design before cutting, and auto Z probe, which will set the height of our stock automatically. We do not need auto leveling for this project, as we'll be machining all the way through the top surface for this particular part. Once everything's set, we can click run to start manufacturing.
That's what we're gonna do right now. Lock the fucking. Let's see this shit. Let's see this shit go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Boing! Wait. What just happened? Boing! Oh. Fuck, what just happened? Tool change. Please, change the probe. Confirm main button. Wait, please change to tool probe. It is changed to the tool probe. Okay. I'm fucking scared right now. I'm mortified. Well. That looks right. That looks right. Fuck. It seems right. I pressed 3 buttons. I don't know what the fuck's happening. That looks way too close to right there. That looks way too... What's happening? What's happening? Okay. Okay, now I think it wants us to change the tool. We're gonna do that real quick. Right? Change tool. Change tool, let's check. It says change tool. Yeah, let's change the tool. Let's do that real quick. I am actively late for work right now. I should be at my job as we speak right now. But no. Why would we do that when we can not do that? How do I do this? Oh, that's sharp. That's cool. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's go like that. Let's go like that. Let's go like that. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Fuck. I'm scared right now. Okay. Lock the fuck in, boys. Lock the fuck in. He just said I can actually press the button on top. So that is precisely what it is weird to do right now. Why is this not locking? There you go. Okay. That is precisely what we're gonna do. The make or break moment. Oh, let's see if the camera settings are chill. Like this, bam, bam. Like this. Like this. Okay. Well, there's only one thing we can do. That's to start it. I pray to God that this isn't about to blow up. Should I put this thing down, you reckon? Yeah, let's do that. Got the E-stop right here. Hey, that is way too close, brother. If you, okay. I mean, it's working. It's working. Holy shit. It's totally working. Well, fuck. I didn't think that actually worked. I ain't gonna lie to you. Whoa, that's cool. Whoa. Well, it's fucking going. It's fucking going all right. Holy shit. That shit's going. That shit's going right now. What's happening? Okay. Whoa. Whoa. It's pretty loud. It's pretty loud. Damn. 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 Dude. This is fucking sick, actually. This is actually sick. Damn. I didn't think that this shit would work. I didn't think that this shit would work. God damn, I'm 20 minutes late for work. I am 20 minutes late for work right now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm 20 minutes for late. Hey, priorities. Priorities. Okay, let's go like this. Okay, dude. We are fucking bussing. We are fucking bussing. We are fucking. Holy shit, it's working. I didn't think it'd work. I don't know why, but it's working. When shit just works, you just. I don't know. It makes you feel kind of way, you know? It makes you feel something in your balls. I don't know how to describe it. You have to be a dude to understand it. Come on. Just like that. Just like that. And that. Sorry, boys. I gotta get this camera pimping. There we go. Damn. That's crazy. Well, also now I'm like realizing I should probably fix the. Like I need to blow off the things, like so that they're not, you know what I mean, in the way. I guess. Holy shit, this thing's actually working right now. Holy shit. It is kind of like a 3D printer, but it's just like better in every conceivable way. Oh my gosh. It's pretty loud too. I ain't gonna lie. It is pretty loud. Damn, brother. Damn, twin. Hold on, I want to see if I can get the stay focused thing in the back. That's crazy. Consider getting yourself a stay focused sticker. First link in the description. Damn, that's such a good shot. Well, I'm gonna remove the camera from the tripod. Let's make this. That's wild. Oh, I have no stabilization on. Hold on, let's change that real quick. Steady shot, standard. That should be a lot better. Oh, is it done? What's happening? Damn, this stuff's getting everywhere, dude. This is why there is a shop vac, and this is why people recommend getting it. This is sick. This is so sick. Holy crap. W, dude. Holy shit. Okay, what percent is it done? Does it say? Oh, we need to check that out. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Does it say which percent it is done? Oh, is it right here? Wait. 1%. 4, 5. To go? 30 seconds, 9 seconds. Oh, this is way off. This is like off by a mile. I don't know if you can see that. That's way off by a mile. Maybe it isn't. I can't tell. I can't tell. Oh, what's up, my man? You really have ADHD. My math exam is at 9 and it is, oh my God, get off right now. Go lock the fuck in. Stay focused. Where is it? Well, it's not gonna show up. Come on. Stay focused, big man. Okay? And go lock in on that goddamn exam, okay? You go lock in. Go to bed right now. That is your mission. Go to bed right now. I am late for work by 24 minutes. I need to be at work 24 minutes ago. That is a small price you got to pay for greatness. Holy shit, I got to go to work right now. Do I leave this thing like running here? No, that's retarded. I can pause it and then we can resume this when I get back. I think that's what we're going to do. I have to go to work right now, guys, okay? Okay, well, you're gonna hear the CNC machine in the back. Bro, this calculus, she is not good, dude. Calculus is crazy. Okay, if you're just joining us, I have to go to work right now, but this is the first CNC project we've ever done. Carvera Air, whatever the fuck you want to call it, I don't know. But if you are the type that enjoys making shit, the type that likes making rockets or, you know what I mean, like whatnot, you like making fucking programs, you like making something. Doesn't matter if it's a chiseled 6-pack in the gym or it's sewing. If you like making something, I implore you right now to stop watching the stream and go lock in on that fucking project right now. Stay focused. Well, I'm not wearing the fucking shirt. That's a little embarrassing. Stay focused, my boys. By the way, if you want a Stay Focused sticker, first link in the description. I have to have an ad, but, well, it is not gonna... Okay, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, you go lock the fuck in. I love you, boys. Thank you so much for being here. Consider subscribing if you want to continue to be motivated to eventually reach the levels of Tony Stark. Not just in engineering, but in any field, whatever field you're in. I love you, boys, so much. Let's get some fucking Pedro going right now. I love you guys. If you have a project and you would like to share it, please join the Discord. It is also in the link in the description of this video, okay? Join the Discord. It'd be amazing. We'd appreciate you being there. Of course, let's have a good time. Lock the fuck in. Okay. Loud noise, by the way. Loud noise.
Passeggio tutta sola per le strade, guardando attentamente i monumenti, la classica straniera con un'aria strana che gira stanca tutta la città. A un certo punto della passeggiata mi chiama da una parte un ragazzino, sembrava a prima vista tanto per benino, si offre a far da guida per la città. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me.
And remember, above all else, whether you're feeling happy, whether you're feeling sad, whether you're feeling mad or glad, it doesn't matter. There's one thing you got to do no matter what. And that's to stay focused, my brothers and sisters. Stay focused. Okay? Lock the fuck in. Remove distractions from your life. And go do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Alright? Love you, boys. And statistically speaking, unlikely girls. But you're there. You guys have an amazing rest of your day. Okay? I'll see you guys very shortly. We're coming back for lunch break. Mwah. Goodbye.